Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Clockify extension. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Chrome. Over here, search for Clockify extension in Google. After that, click on the link and add Clockify for Chrome. Then, click on Add Extension. After that, go to your extensions and pin Clockify to the toolbar. Over here, open any website, for example YouTube. Then click on the Clockify extension icon. After that, type in what you are working on. For example, YouTube video, and click on Start. Then select a project, for example YouTube channel or Pinterest strategy. After that, you can add tags or create a new tag like Pinterest YouTube video. Over here, you will see the timer has started. After you finish your work, go to the top right corner, click on Stop. Over here, you will see the time track, for example 1 minute, and that it is billable. After that, go to the Clockify website and check your reports. Over here, you will see the time you have tracked for your project. So that's basically how you can use Clockify extension. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.